It's shocking how people are messing.
Ngikarine na andiki a mohoro mwena wa Naikuru kuria John Mututho arutite ritana kuni minister wa urimi guku bururi-ini Mwangi Kiunjuri gucokia wira amwe wa maabitha hau kabere ministry-ini ya urimi kuona mari na ugi munene.
Let him give people a chance who can be able to do it. Not fake professors or things like that. Professionals. And I'm telling him the shortcut. Don't hire me. You stay with your job. But get the 5,000 people you have retired by force from Minister of Agriculture. Let them come and help clean up the mess. To take you about 24 months.
Oho Mututho ni augite kwina uhotekeku mbembe iria ci mugunda ikoro igithuka kuona mbura ni yambitie kura na itire iragethwo.
Thousands and thousands of acres not harvested. And now the rains are here will mean that this maize is going to have excessive aflatoxin. If it eventually comes to the market, it's a disaster for the country.
Mututho ni uritie thirikari kuigithia makiria kuri urimi wa mbembe kuona nicio iria ihuthagirwo ni Akenya aingi guku bururi-ini.
They can get funds like they are getting the Chinese maize. They buy clean maize, non-GMO, non-aflatoxin, stored because we have a storage capacity, at least for Kenyans for 1 year. Then from there, we can now plan. If we say no production, there is no production this year. People can rest and nobody will suffer because we will have had what they called strategic grain reserve.
Mututho ni augite urehi wa mbembe kuma nja wa bururi ni undu uria ucungiririe arimi aingi ya mbembe kwaga thoko ya magetha mao, riu akiuria thirikari gutigirira ni yagitira arimi kuma guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV riakwa ni Ngigi wa Kiunjuri.